Okay, this model kit review is of an older model kit. It's the Porsche 911 Carrera by Monogram, and this is probably one of the first versions of the 911. As you can tell by how old the box is. There's some pictures of the finished model. It is interesting though, I don't see any headlight glass in there. Maybe they forgot to put that on before they photographed it. Anyway, 1/24 scale by Monogram. And there's another picture of it. It's a very nice looking Porsche. And this one I bought online. This is a really old kit, but still reasonably good condition. Look at that glass, that looks pretty nice. Here are the headlamp glass pieces, and then for the back there's that classic Porsche 911. And reasonably well molded. It doesn't look like there are too many pieces here. This has already been started, it looks like. No, actually this is molded in. The seats are molded in. Here's our chassis with the boxer engine, unfortunately molded in. And wheel wells. I do not really have a lot of parts here. Here's our dashboard, steering wheel, license plates, and here we have our wheels. That chrome is not very nice. And we have some exhaust parts, gear lever and so on. Here are the bumpers, reasonably well molded. These are some really hard vinyl tires, and I really don't like this inside part there. We have some decals here, and as you can see, it looks like we even have maybe some instrument panel, maybe not. And there's the Porsche logo. Here are the instructions. So, before you begin, there's number 1, building the cockpits, then putting the glass inside the body, putting the cockpit inside the body, building up the chassis with the wheels, and putting that onto the body, then building on the front. These are the bumpers, the front and back. So really a simple kit. We'll just see how nice that turns out in the end. Not a lot of detail there on the inside, but that should be really easy to build.